2002 had a lot of brand new singing contests at the time, but one of the contestants was from Newcastle upon Tyne. She was quite proud of Girls Aloud, or so I hear. Then she tried to have a solo career. She walked several times down the aisle, then had a One Direction child. It sounds a bit Jeremy Kyle. It's wild. Cheryl Cole, can't hold it back anymore. Cheryl Cole, don't meet her in a bathroom stall. I don't care if it sounds silly, but her full name is Cheryl Cole Tweedy Fernandez Virginie Terwilliger Huts McClure. I hope you enjoyed that. That's called The Snow Queen, and it's off my new album, Do Not Sneeze Onto Your Nan, which is out Friday the 20th of November. So pre-order it at this link. Or if it's after Friday the 20th of November, buy it at the same link. It's the same link.